Welcome to the engineering seminar update for the sprint ending on March 29th, 2022. So this sprint, we've worked on GetFlow, forms and workflows, CRM, and miscellaneous tasks. For GetFlow, we have a new filter on the visit page, and we added additional statistics and a CSV download for the logbook. For forms and workflows, we added additional statistics in the dashboard. We added also a new document tab on the task detail and multiple UI improvement on the task detail, as well as pagination on the workflow list page. For CRM, we wanted to work on public form for lead acquisitions and planning the use of campaigns for lead management, but we did not get to work on those tasks yet. For miscellaneous, we improved the logo display quality, which looks very nice now. We wanted to remove all the medium vulnerabilities, but we didn't get around to it. But we added a new marketing role, new campaign traits. We do have a welcome SMS in addition to the email, and we cleaned up the jest log to 200 warnings. We investigated Hotshots, and it is now in production, as well as we investigated the camera streaming. We updated the material UI to version 5.0, and we're allowing custodians to search for users. For next sprint, on GetFlow, we are going to be working on the kiosk mode, and we will be adding additional statistics for logbook. For CRM, we will work on public form for lead acquisitions. We have a few layout changes, and we want to start working on the planning event features, as well as planning the manual and automated website integration. For miscellaneous tasks, we will work on map improvement, and forms and workflow, we want to work on workflow management, which is viewing, editing, and adding, as well as updating the processes dashboard to display multiple processes, a few planning, we want to plan commenting on the document features, and we want to enable forms and permits page for GreenPark, as well as reskinning the form builder. For our OKRs, we completed the jest log, which is now at 57. So we good for this OKR. And I believe that is it for now. So this sprint, we had 32 merge requests. It is down significantly from the previous sprint. We worked on 54 issues. We only completed 34, which we have 20 remaining open. Our code coverage is 80%. We are now past 80% on code coverage. We fixed 2 cringy issues, and we have 14 remaining. We contributed to the SendGrid religion this sprint, and we are now above 80% on the code coverage. The last 3 sprints, our total completed weight were 53 out of 58 for this sprint, and the previous sprint was 73 out of 61. Those numbers are basically the number of engineers days out of the sprint. So this sprint, in terms of weight, which has the number of days, there was 53 days that were accounted for on the tickets out of total 58 days. Those are estimates, and so that's why they do not necessarily count for all the days' work. In terms of goal versus actual, we are now above our target for code coverage. So I will have another target coming soon. For the merge request, our goal was 28 merge requests, and we have 32. And for the security goal versus actual, I did move the security goals down to 2 instead of 5, and we are still at 5 security non-vulnerability issues. Thank you very much.